Welcome children, you have to study the formation of fruit and seed. After fertilization, ovary develop into fruit and ovule develop into seed. Therefore, the fruit is a mature or ripened ovary. You have studied parthenocarpic fruit. Fruit develops without the act of fertilization. But when you see the structure of the fruit, a fruit consists of fruit wall and seed. So here it is the mango fruit and this portion is the fruit wall and in the center is the seed. Fruit wall is called pericarp. But here in this pericarp had differentiated into outermost epicarp, middle layer mesocarp and innermost hard layer is endocarp. Seed is inside. When edible parts of the fruit develop from ovary, that is the true fruit. True fruits examples are mango, guava, grapes. But in some plants, as you see, their apple. In this edible part, this is the edible part of the fruit. This portion is the edible part and it has not developed from the ovary wall. It develops from thalamus. Therefore, it is known as false fruit or pseudocarps. Apple, pear, cashew nut, annas, mulberry are the examples of false fruit. Now, next you have to see seed. I told seeds are matured ovule. Seed develops from ovule. In angiospermic plant, after fertilization, ovules become mature and develop into seed. Seeds contain zygote, that is, develop into embryo. In some seed, endosperms are present. So they are called endospermic seed or albuminous seed. In some seed, endosperms are not present. They are known as non-endospermic seed or X-albuminous seeds. On the basis of number of cotyledons, seeds are two types, dicotyledonous seeds and monocotyledonous seeds. Dicotyledonous seeds, gram, bean, pea, castor, they have two cotyledons. Monocotyledonous seeds are rice, maize. They have only one cotyledons. Seeds are protected by a covering, that is seed coat, and inside the seed embryo is present. So embryo consists of cotyledons and short axis which are differentiate into radicle and plumule.